Okay, YouTubers are there. Yesterday, some Instagram person, he met our opposition leader KTR. He met opposition leader KTR. Okay, he told proudly. Okay, so I'm visiting KTR house like from get down from the car and then just sitting in the queue, waiting queue, and then so meeting just the KTR told to his followers, hello, like something like all that video he published in the Instagram. Can you observe that in this post, in this rule, what is his intention? Yes, I achieved something, man. Today I met one of VIP. Today I met one of VIP. So just this is he is achievement. Is sharing at the Instagram reel. Then automatically, congrats, bro. Wonderful, bro. Like the people keep on commenting. Like, have you observed in this? What is the secret? What is the meaning? He want appreciation because I met a great person, I met a good person, or I met one VIP like so I want appreciation like observe that. Sir, this rule is applicable for small kid to ready to die person also. That's why if you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, don't miss that opportunity. If you are getting the chance to criticize someone, don't utilize that opportunity. I hope it is clear for you people. I'm repeatedly telling Assalam. The opposite person, what is the need of finding the mistakes, man? In the opposite person, what is the need of finding the mistakes? No, I don't want. If your job is to correct that person, if your job is to correct that person, yes, I told right. A number of good things are there. Appreciate all those things. Appreciate all those things publicly, privately. Array, you are doing excellent job. 99.99% is too good. If you are going to correct this small thing which is really required, then you will become 100% complete. Better to use this type of approach. Then the cinema is going to work out like it. I hope it is clear for your kids. Compulsory you require to correct them. Being a team lead, compulsory you require to correct your team members. Okay, being business owner, compulsory we require to correct the employees if they are doing any wrong. But the way you are handling is very, 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 very important. Don't attack the person, attack the problem. Appreciate publicly, correct privately. What a beautiful statement, man. So in every person mind, in every person body, these things are injected, right?